Hi, Colin here from King Motors. You've clicked the link to our 2017 Audi A6 TDI SE Executive Ultra. Quite a mouthful. Fine car though. This is an automatic one. We've just recently taken it as a trade-in, and it's in fantastic order. Like it's a credit to its previous owner, and it really genuinely is. Lovely car, really nice spec, absolutely smooth to drive, lovely gear change, gearbox recently serviced, in fact, with documentation. But that's it. From there, I'm going to get into the car, I'll take it for a drive, and I'll just show you some of the nice bits about it. So here we are out in the A6. And the first thing you're struck with when you're driving it is it's a fine big car. Like, it's a very nice, serene sort of place to be. Everything you touch in the car is extremely well made too. It's very, very well put together. Very typical VAG group stuff. Like, all the metal stuff you touch is real. That thing I always say when it comes to executive sort of cars is like, it's where God lives. It's all the little details, and this has it in spades. Like, it's a very, very nice car. Lovely big thing as well to sit in the back. Quite a bit of room in the back of it, so it's a fine car. Spec wise, then you've got some nice stuff on it too. We've got full Bluetooth phone connectivity, we've got sat nav, we have parking sensors, and then the other thing I always really like on most Audis, actually, I must say, because I like the minimal look, is this like retractable button. You just press the button and it goes away. I do enjoy that now, I have to say. There's something very sophisticated about that. But it's got all the other stuff you expect. Like, so you've heated seats, and then the gearbox is actually pretty awesome in it too. This one's the 187 brake horsepower one, and with this gearbox, it's a brisk old car now. You know, it certainly moves along. And this particular car has had its gearbox serviced recently. Now, they say they're not supposed to be serviced in the official literature, but they definitely are. And this one has had it, so it changes gear absolutely perfectly. The other thing then about the car is just the actual overall condition of it. We took this as a trade-in, as I said in the intro, and it's immaculate. Like, a real credit to the former keeper. He has kept it impeccably. It's a lovely, lovely car. Like, if you're after one of these A6s, it'll be hard to beat this one. So much so, we'll take this moment now to just go around the outside of the car and show you some of the up and down each side of it, because it's spotless. It is a really, really, really well kept car. Back into the interior and just let you look around for a second. This is a good one. This is as good a one as you'll ever see. And in all my years of getting these as trade-ins and stuff, they tend to come in, they're a bit sort of worn or high mileagey. This isn't that. This has 158 kilometers on it, and it's super tight. There's no noises in it. Everything feels tight, ready, new. A good, proper example of one. It's been looked after really well. So good prospect, but that's kind of it. I'll stop talking about the car there, and I'll just briefly move on to us, let you know who we are. We were one of the first ever second-hand dealers to be SIMI approved. We're AA approved. On that front, we can give up to 2 years warranty on this car through the AA. We have other warranty providers as well, with, again, up to 24 months, depending on what suits you best. On top of that, then, we've got, what have we got, 4.99, I think, out of a potential 5 stars on Google reviews, which is massively important to us, because they were really hard to get, and they're all real. There's no stars followed by 5 stars. They're all legit, genuine things. So have a read through those and see how other people got on with us. But that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully, you know, if you want to, actually, click the link in the video's description for more information. There'll be a link. If you find it on Facebook, there's a link in the ad, and if you find it on YouTube, there'll be a link in the bio underneath it. But that's it again. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we will see you soon.